Hi, Kuya Chitoy and Ate Janine. Congratulations on your wedding day, and I hope you guys are having fun. Know that both of you are loved, and I'm so happy and thrilled that both of you are finally married. Because finally, Kuya Chitoy already said yes to Ate Janine, and we hope to see you soon, and may God bless you. I love you guys. Bye.
Congratulations, Janine and Chitoy. I know God will always keep you healthy and safe. May you always put God in the center of your relationship.
Take care always. God bless.
We love you.
Hi, Chitoy and Janine! Congratulations on your wedding day!
May your love story continue with each and every passing year. Sana makauwi na kayo ng Pilipinas. Miss na namin kayo.
Ang ano ko lang, advice ko lang is, the concept and the blueprint of the marriage came from God. Like Adam and Eve. Wish ko lang sana pagbutihin ninyo. Sa una lang naman mahirap ang pag-aasawa. Sa mga susunod, pahirap na ng pahirap. Cheers to your happily ever after!
Good evening, everyone. My name is Noel Makaspak. I am the uncle of Chitoy. We apologize that we're not able to join you on this special occasion. Just wanted to wish you both congratulations. Build a happy family, and God bless you both. Enjoy the party. And this is my wife Sylvia and my daughter Angelica. Sylvia.
I just want to wish a good marriage, and I hope so we make it for the wedding in the Philippines.
Congratulations, you guys. Happy marriage and best wishes.
All right. I'll
We
see
love
you
you.
next time. We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Congratulations on your wedding, Kuya Chitoy and Ate Janine. Wishing you a lifetime filled with love, joy, and endless happiness together. Yun lang, and God bless.
Dear Chitoy and Janine, may your marriage always bring glory to God and joy to one another and blessings to your family. Best wishes on your happy life together. We love you.
Hello, Chitoy and Janine. Congratulations. Remember to always put God first in your relationship, and best wishes. A lot of love and happiness sa inyong dalawa. And again, congratulations and God bless your marriage. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I wish you bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Kumusta ka na? Kakasal ka na pala. Congratulations, nak. Apo ko, kailan ba tayo magkikita, apo ko? Naku, sana umuwi ka na rin dito, nak. Ha? Congratulations, nak, ha? Ayusin ang pagsasama, panang away. Apo ko, ha? Ingat, apo ko. Congratulations na lang sa kasal niyo. Hindi naman ako makapunta dyan, layo. Oh, salamat na lang ako po. Ha? Bye-bye po.
Hi, Chitoy and Janine. Congratulations on your wedding. Sorry we couldn't be there to celebrate with you, but wishing you all the best in your married life.
I wish you a lifetime of love and happiness together.
Again, congrats! Cookies! Peace!
Hey, Chitoy, Ja. Congrats. Finally, dumating na yung isa sa mga araw na inaantay nyo. Ikakasal na kayo. Wala man ako dyan sa araw na ito, pero masaya ako para sa inyong dalawa. Alagaan yung isa't isa and always love each other. Masaya kami para sa inyo. Hope to see you soon, Mr. and Mrs. Makaspak. Enjoy nyo yung araw nyo and congrats ulit. Love you both. See you soon.
Janine, Chitoy, congratulations sa inyong kasal. Hindi ako makakarating. Alam niyo na, mahina na ang katawan ni Daddy. Darating din ang oras na magkikita-kita tayo. Ang biling ko labang sa inyo, magmahalang kayo habang buhay, magtulungan sa hirap at ginhawa. Sino man sa mga kapatid nyo ang nakikita nyo naghihirap, tulungan nyo sila. Magtulungan kayo tulad ng ginagawa ng mga mga tsahin mo yun. Daddy mo, saka sila tita Koy mo, Tito Noel, Tito Joan, Tito Roxanne, nagtutulong-tulungan sila. Kung sinong wala, siya bibigyan at tutulungan. O kung may mga pasok din ng trabaho, kamukha ni Tita Koy mo. Ako wala na pag-asa, graduating na tayo ngayon matanda na tayo. Pagka na lang, kita na lang tayo. Magkikita tayo, magkukwentuhan tayo. Yung ipamamana kong lupa sa inyo, yung apartment ko ro, paghati-hatian ninyo. Ayoko na mag-aaway kayo, kailangan parehas. Ayoko na bail lamang. Lahat mahal ko kayo. Lalo na ikaw, Chito, ikaw lang alaga ako sa mundo. Alam mo yun, pero yung malani, tita Koy mo na yun. Dito ka na lang sa Malaba, yung mga apartment doon, tsaka yung bahay ko doon. Bahala ka lang kung ano gusto mong gawin nyo. Tsaka sila Jopen, sila Sheena, sila Shannon, sila Butchoy, Joshua, kung ano gusto nila doon. Yung pagkatiyan ninyo, yung malaki naman doon. Ayoko lang naglalamang kayo. Magtanim kayo ng maraming namumunga ro para pagdating ng oras, nag-harvest lang kayo.
Wish mo, wish.
Ang wish ko lang na sana magkita tayo muli para magkakwentuhan tayo. At ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo na love, huwag niyong kalilimutan ng pag-ibig. Pag-ibig sa isa't isa. Sana magkita-kita tayo pagdating ng oras, maging masaya ulit tayo, malakas pa ako, at makakapabasyal tayo kahit saan tayo magpunta. Naintindihan na ninyo. Ang pinagbibiling ko sa inyo, kung sino sa mga kapatid nyo mahirap, tulungan ninyo. Tulungan ninyo. Magmahal kayo. Sa labit to. Congratulations, Janine and Chitoy, sa kasal ninyo. At naniniwala ako na habang buhay kayo'y magmamahalan at magtutulungan. Huwag sana kayong mag-aaway palagi. Magmahalan kayo. Kung ano pinagbibiling ko sa inyo, sundin ninyo. Sa ikabubuti rin nyo yan. Graduating na ako, apo ko. Alam nyo na yan. I'm 83 years old na. Okay? Kanya masasabi ko sa inyo na pinagbibiling ko sa mga kapatid nyo, magmahalan sila. Yun lang. At magtulungan. Yun lang, wala na.
Dear Chitoy and Janine, today as you stand together to embark on this beautiful journey of marriage, know that my thoughts are with you, though I may be far away. It breaks my heart not to be there with you, both in Australia, to hold you close and witness the love that you share. Please understand that even in my quietness, I hold each of deeply in my heart. Chitoy, my firstborn, you have grown into a man I am immensely proud of. And Janine, I am grateful to you for the love, strength, and joy you bring to his life. Together, you are creating a life filled with love, warmth, and laughter that radiates to everyone around you. As you know, my job in the Philippine National Police has always brought us apart. But please, know that all you are in my prayers. My care and my love for each of you will always remain unwavering and constant, no matter the distance. To my other children, Jopen, Jacob, and Princess, I want you to know that I love each of you dearly. You are always in my thoughts and the reasons I strive to be my best. Even if I'm not able to say it often enough, you bring me pride, joy, and an unbreakable bond that distance cannot diminish. Chitoy and Janine, May your marriage be filled with trust, patience, and a love that grows deeper with every passing day. Remember that you are not only building a life together, but a legacy of love, kindness, and resilience for your siblings and future generations. May today be the beginning of the lifetime of happiness. Though I cannot be with you physically, my spirit, my love, and my best wishes are with you now and always. Giving you all my love and blessing and a blissful of marriage. God bless your union. Congratulations, Chitoy and Janine.